Are you looking to make money online but can't decide between crypto trading and binary trading? In this video, we'll break down both markets, their pros and cons, and help you choose the best one for your financial goals. Crypto trading involves buying and selling digital assets like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other cryptocurrencies. It operates on decentralized exchanges and is influenced by market trends, supply and demand, and global news. You can trade using spot, futures, or leverage to maximize gains. Binary trading is a financial market where traders predict whether an asset's price will go up or down within a set time frame. If your prediction is correct, you win a fixed amount; if wrong, you lose your investment. It's fast-paced and more structured compared to crypto trading. Crypto trading offers unlimited profit potential but is volatile, while binary trading has fixed risks and rewards. Crypto traders analyze trends and hold for long-term gains, while binary traders use short-term strategies. Crypto trading is decentralized, whereas binary trading platforms are often regulated but have risks of scams. Crypto trading can be long-term, while binary options expire in minutes to hours. If you like fast decision-making and fixed risks, binary trading might be for you. If you prefer long-term investments and market analysis, crypto trading is a better choice. Some traders even combine both for diversified income. Now that you know the difference between crypto and binary trading, which one will you choose? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more expert trading insights.